Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and if you scroll down, one of them should be the battery icon, the one that looks like this. Once you find the battery icon, you can tap on it, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm to enable the power saving mode. And that's how it looks like. You have basically access to time, date and steps, and other functions of the watch or smart band are disabled. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, you need to wake up the screen and then press and hold on it until you see the normal watch face, like this. You can also enable the power saving mode through the settings. So if you swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called the battery and select it. And here we have the battery saver option, and we can tap on the switch to enable it and then tap on the check mark. And the battery saving mode will be enabled, or power saving mode. And to disable it, of course, we need to wake up the screen and then press and hold on it until we see the watch face, like that. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.